Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram stories not loading. To know how to fix Instagram stories not loading, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. Then in this page you will go down to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage like this. Here in this page you will go to clear cache, and after that you will click clear data, and you can update your application in the end. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for